Hey guys, what's up? My name is Mikko, this is Project Boxy, and today we are going to make amazing drink straight from Cuba, Mojito. Vamos!
They say into your early life romance came, and it came, and it came.
So the ingredients of Mojito are really simple. You only need white rum, ron, fresh lime, fresh mint and soda water. Then of course I have here a box of cohibas, but these are just to show off. Okay, let's get into work. So first off you cut the lime. You throw them in the glass. Then you put in 2 tablespoons of sugar. Now squeeze everything together really good. Then we put in 12 mint leaves. They smell so good. And then we give another squish. Okay, then you take the ron. 2 parts white ron. Then we need some crushed ice. But I don't have ice crusher, so what I came up with is this. You take a tea towel, you put in a frozen bag of ice and start making crushed ice. And look at this, in no time at all you have nice crushed ice. You got beautiful bigger pieces as well as the smaller pieces we will use today. And in we go with the crushed ice. And the best part is you can actually take a freezer bag, place the ice in a bag and put it in the fridge, so next time you will have crushed ice ready to go. Then you add the soda, garnish with some mint leaves. Alright, now when the Cuban classic is ready, there is only one thing left to do, the taste test. It's beautiful, it smells good, let's do this. Very good. The refreshing lime, sweetness of the sugar, the little kick from our amigo ron and the beautiful flavor of fresh mint. Really difficult to beat this simple yet delicious drink. So give me a thumbs up if you like the video, there will be more. Hasta la vista.